With the body now set aside for a couple of days to cure, I moved on to the interior. Firstly, just removing all of the parts from the sprues, cleaning them up a bit, and then priming them nicely with a couple coats of gray primer. The main interior was painted with the Bordeaux Red Ferrari interior color, and some other components were just painted flat black. The main interior tub needs some carpet, so I masked off the engine bay section that is molded onto this, then painted it with a nice thick coat of matte black from a spray can from Tamiya, and then carefully started applying the flocking on top of it while the paint was still pretty wet. Some small bits and bobs on the interior, like the spokes on the steering wheel, needed to be painted silver, along with the main panel on the dashboard as well. This is all done with a brush and some Vallejo silver paints, as that is pretty much the way that it looks on the actual cars. The main piece on the dashboard is a brushed aluminum part, I presume, so with the brush strokes it doesn't really look that bad and actually simulates what the actual one looks like pretty well. On the door cards there were also a couple of parts that needed to be painted silver, like this vent panel on the rear, and of course also the strips surrounding it on the door panel. In the end, the vent panel and those strips on the door looked a bit too bright and shiny, so I dulled them up a bit with some Tamiya Panelline accent color. Decal Shop kindly sent me out one of their seatbelt sets to be used on this build and many others as well. I will leave a link in the description down below, and also just show you generally what is in the package. They have some different color seatbelt material, some seatbelt buckles, and also some nicely designed decals as well. These were all cut to size, cut out of the sprue, and then carefully assembled to be put onto the seats. With the belts and buckles now glued in place, I could carefully move on to gluing the rest of the interior together and finishing this part off.